Hello everyone, this is Deepak Maheshwari. Welcome to my channel Deepak Explains. This is where we break down big ideas in very plain language so they create real impact in real world. If you like clarity over complexity, you are in the right place. Today's big idea is Agentic AI. You have heard of AI that answers questions. But what if AI could set goals, make decisions, and take action on its own? That's not science fiction, that's Agentic AI. Now let's take a deep dive. What is Agentic AI? Agentic AI refers to an AI system designed as autonomous agents. Instead of waiting for prompts, this system can understand objectives, plan steps, use actions, use tools, and learn from outcomes. In short, they behave less like softwares and more like digital workers. Now, if we talk about evolution of AI, I will break down this into four different phases. First, rule-based systems. This is where AI started. Human explicitly wrote rules. If this happens, then do that. These systems worked well in predictable environments, but they broke down with complexity. No learnings, no adaptation, just rigid logic. Rule based systems follow instructions, but they don't understand. Machine learning. In this phase, machine learning introduced learning from data instead of hard coded rules. The system finds patterns and make predictions based on historical examples. Humans still define the problem and the boundaries. It is powerful, but mostly limited to narrow tasks. Machine learning learns patterns, but it still needs human to drive. Third phase, generative AI, the chat GPT movement. Generative AI changed how we interact with machines. Instead of menus and forms, we use natural language. It can generate text, code, images, and summaries in seconds. But it's fundamentally reactive. It waits for you to prompt. Generative AI can create content, but it doesn't take initiative. And that is where phase 4, agentic AI. Agentic AI is the next leap. You don't give instructions, you give it a goal. System plan steps, use tools, take actions, and adopts along the way. This is where AI starts behaving like a digital worker, not just a tool. Agentic AI doesn't just respond, it acts. Each step in AI evolution adds more autonomy. And agentic AI is where autonomy truly begins. Now let's understand how does it work. I will define this in 5 different steps. Number 1, receive goal. Everything starts with a goal, not instructions. Just the outcome you want. For example, resolve this claim or fix this system issue. Step number 2, plan steps. The agent then creates a plan. It breaks the goal into smaller steps, decides what needs to happen first and what can happen in parallel. This is the thinking phase. Step number 3, execute actions. Next, the agent takes action. It calls API. It can query database. It can run models. It can also integrate with other agents via A2A protocol or MCP protocol. Just like a human, using tools, it can get the work done. Step number 4 is observe results. After every action, the agent checks the results. Did this step work? Did it move closer to the goal? If not, it reconsiders the next step. Step 5, Adapt and improve. Finally, the agent adapts. It learns from the outcomes, stores useful information, improve future decisions. Over time, the agent gets better, faster, smarter, and more reliable. And this is a continuous loop. Agent receive goal, plan, act, observe, and adopt. And that is what makes agentic AI autonomous. If we talk about some real world example, in insurance, agent investigates claims, detects fraud, and also take actions. In IT, it resolves incidents automatically. Gone are the days where we used to look at the error logs and look at the code manually. Now it is pretty much automatic process. In finance, they monitor risk and compliance issues. In customer support, they solve issues end to end, provide on demand support, help. This is not replacing humans, it is amplifying them. And when we talk about the future, in my view, the future looks like this: AI becomes a digital workforce where human sets the goals, agent executes those goals at a scale, and that actually says AI that doesn't respond, it actually acts. In the conclusion, I would say that agentic AI represents a shift from AI as a tool to AI as a digital workforce. That was Agentic AI explained in plain language to make a real impact. If this video helped you to understand Agentic AI, give it a like, it really helps the channel. Subscribe to Deepak Explains for more big ideas explained in very plain language to make a real impact. And stay tuned for the next episode where we will break down another powerful idea that is shaping the future. See you next time. Thanks for watching.